Today we're making Tres Leches Cake. Yum yum. It's easy and delicious. I can eat it every day. I hope you like it. Let's start. We need 2 boxes of yellow cake mix. Put it in the mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of oil, 2 cups of water, and 6 eggs. Beat until we come combined. When combined, scrape the bottom. Spray the cake pan. Pour the batter inside. Tap it on the countertop. Bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Let's prepare milk mixture. We need 2 tins of evaporated milk, 2 tins of condensed milk, 3 cups of full milk. Mix. Poke the cake with the fork. Listen to my title song while poking. Tayo, he's funny little bus, speeding up, slowing down, telling us how to run. Tayo, he's a funny little bus, with this words, fine as I find in the sun. Ask a friendly day today. Let's have some fun. Pour the milk mixture over the cake. Cover it and put it in the fridge overnight. Let's prepare whipped cream topping. We need 3 cups of heavy cream. Add 1 cup of sugar. Two teaspoons of vanilla extract. Whip it on medium-high speed until stiff cakes form. It is inside a Ziploc bag. Snip the corner. Put piping tip and couple together. It's time to ice the cake. Make any design you like. Fill the gaps. Garnish it with some pineapples. It's ready. Time to eat. See you guys later. Bye-bye.